Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding Power BI service and an important interview question. So the question is this: you have made a line chart or line visualization in report and you have uploaded it to the server Power BI service. You have published it to the Power BI service and you have created a dashboard regarding that. And now after sometimes you change this line chart to a bar chart, and the question is this: whether it will reflect the dashboard in Power BI service. That means whether it will change automatically in Power BI service. So we will see how it is being done. So first we will create a line chart and we will upload it to the service and we will go to the dashboard. We will create a dashboard with this line chart. And then in the report, we will change the line chart to the report bar chart. And we will see, we will publish it once again and we will see whether it has changed in the report in the Power BI service or whether it has changed in the dashboard in Power BI service. We will check it. So in the page one, we are having a line chart, and this line chart is actually the month name and the total sales. So how the total is varying throughout the month. And here, of course, we have a pie chart. Only visual we are going to concentrate is on this line chart. So we have this line chart and we are going to publish this line chart. And before publishing, you need to save it, and we are going to save it. And it's asking where to publish which workspace. So we don't have any workspace there. So we are using that my workspace, the default one, and we are selecting it. And now it will be getting published in the dashboard. Yeah, not dashboard. It will be publishing it into the Power BI service. So now we will be taking the Power BI service. We will refresh this Power BI and we will go to my space. Of course, just now we got the report and the data set. There is a semantic model. So we will open the report. So we have the exact report, whatever we have done in the Power BI desktop. So this is the report we have done in the Power BI report desktop, and the same one got reflected in the Power BI service also. Now we are going to pin it to the dashboard. So we have the pin visual. Click this and we will create a new dashboard, and we will name it as new one itself, new dashboard, and we will keep the current theme itself and we will pin it. And it is asking to go to the dashboard, and we will of course go to the dashboard and see. And we have gone to the dashboard and we saw this exact thing in the dashboard, the same exact line. So if you want to go to report, you can just click at that dashboard and it will be automatically redirecting to the report. So this is what has happened in the Power BI service. Now we will go back to the Power BI desktop and we will select this visual and we are going to move it to stacked column chart. So we have changed that to stack column chart, and now we will save it and we are going to publish it once again. So we will see whether it is getting reflected in the report, Power BI service report, as well as Power BI service dash. So it is asking replacing this data set may impact the report as well as dashboard. Yeah, we will replace it. Now it got success, and we will go back to the Power BI service. Yeah, this is the Power BI service, and now we got the report, but this report is that previous one. We haven't updated the report, or we haven't refreshed the report. So we will refresh the report. Yeah, when we refresh the report, we got whatever the changes we have made in the Power BI desktop. The same thing, that line chart became a bar chart. So in the desktop, we moved to bar chart, and the same thing got reflected in the Power BI report. Now we will go to the Power BI dashboard. Of course, we got this dashboard, and we will refresh that also. But see what happened? Even though we refreshed it, nothing happened. It is the same line chart that is reflecting here. So the bottom line is whatever visual you change in the report in the Power BI desktop, and whatever things you change and publish it in the Power BI service, things are not going to change in the Power BI dashboard. If you want to change this to the Power BI dashboard, you have to create, or you have to pin the visual once again. Now, or this visual is not going to change. So only thing is you have to go to the report. You have to pin this one once again. You have to select this and you have to go to the existing dashboard, new dashboard, and you need to go to the dashboard and pin it. Yeah, this is the way you can do it. If you want to delete it, you can just go there and delete the tile. This is the new tile and we'll be getting it. So the bottom line is this: if you are doing a visual, and if you are uploading it to the Power BI service and pinning it to the dashboard, and then after that you are going to change the visual in the Power BI report, it is not going to reflect in the dashboard. You have to pin the visual once again, new visual once again. So hope this was an interesting video. Have a nice day.